Kubor nakaslem jong unong Saiñ Hima.
Sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ubah Preston Tensang henek sengi haba juba beke jingang jang una aiktian ke AITC pakatna Syntiat katelan basami biang ki kampen terim ulang bau na aiktian ke AITC udai ban pet penya haswa ban kran namal katenat pulen kala ai ke jintrekam ke babahatam padmenta ngilayo ban kemi ki bre ki bran kiti ha ka ban pun bethebom ulang ru baka sarkar kala patha ai ki pulen ban long ki bapet ngor bat balakre la raja kinu ki jingja namal ngitrang bandan ke syangsuk Saiñ ban ong bakatalan ngam tharai ngin la ban kemi gitu ki bran kiti ban pun bethebom ki bor Syntiat ki Khlaiñ bat ngin nang Pynkhlaiñ Shuh ban pet baka Jylla Meghalaya kadan hapedang ke syangsuk Saiñ.
I think see that statement again made by the spokesperson of the ITC. I think he has to first see properly before he talk. If you say that we fail, as far as the Home Department is concerned, I think they have given the best in the services, and the proof is what? Now, immediately, they were able to nab even the culprit or the criminals or whoever involved in this type of blasting. So therefore, you see, you cannot say that the government has failed. We are pulling up our police forces, and we already given the instruction that all police personnel be alert and be ready for any eventuality, because we wanted to make sure that peace, tranquility is always there in the state of Meghalaya. Means people, be it children, be it women, be it old people, they can walk freely, they can live freely, and they should not think that if I go to Police Bazaar or I go somewhere else in Shong, I may not be able to come back home. So this is what we are doing, and I'm sure government will be able to do it, and I really appreciate the services made by the police force in the state of Meghalaya.
Sir, in a few months, there were 5 cases, IED cases, where in 4 cases, IED bomb exploded. So how do you see this? Is there any intelligence failure? How do you see?
No. If the intelligence wing of the police force is weak, I don't think we'll be able to nab. But the intelligence wing is very strong and will make it stronger. So at any point of time, we'll make sure that citizens of the state in Meghalaya, they are safe totally from this kind of incidents.
But sir, don't you think that HNLC recruiting juveniles like underage people, don't you think that it is a matter of great concern for the government?
No. Let me just tell you, as I already said, see now the responsibility of each and every household is the parents. Because you see, the parental sharing is so important to each and every family. That's what I'm saying, especially those underage young boys. What happened was they can be easily misguided by anybody, by anyone. So my humble request to each and every family members, each and every parents, you need to also take the responsibility how to make sure that your children groom well in the right direction.